Hi, welcome to Professional Certifications channel. If you're passionate about technology and healthcare, today's video is for you. We're going to explore the role of a clinical systems engineer, a position that plays a key role in integrating and maintaining clinical systems and medical devices in healthcare environments. Let's dive into what this role involves, why it's so important, and the skills you need to succeed.
Introduction. So, what exactly does a clinical systems engineer do? In simple terms, this role focuses on integrating, implementing, and maintaining clinical systems and medical devices that help healthcare professionals provide better care. These systems can include electronic health records, EHR, laboratory information systems, imaging systems, and various medical devices. The clinical systems engineer ensures that these systems are seamlessly connected, secure, and working as intended, which ultimately improves the quality of patient care.
Key responsibilities. As a clinical systems engineer, your responsibilities will include a variety of tasks that ensure clinical systems and devices are running smoothly. Let's break down some of the core duties. 1. System integration. One of the primary responsibilities of a clinical systems engineer is integrating clinical systems with other healthcare systems. This can include linking electronic health records, EHR, systems with lab information systems, imaging systems, and patient monitoring devices to ensure seamless data flow between them. 2. System maintenance and troubleshooting. Clinical systems engineers are responsible for keeping these systems up and running. They troubleshoot issues, resolve system failures, and perform regular maintenance to ensure the systems operate efficiently and continue to meet the needs of healthcare providers. 3. Implementation of new systems. When new clinical systems or medical devices are introduced, the clinical systems engineer is involved in the planning, installation, and configuration of the system. They ensure that the system is correctly integrated into the organization's existing infrastructure and that it meets the required specifications. 4. Training and support. Clinical systems engineers often provide training to healthcare professionals on how to use new systems or devices effectively. They also provide ongoing support and assistance to clinical staff who encounter issues with technology. 5. Compliance and security. Healthcare systems must comply with stringent regulations such as HIPAA to protect patient data. Clinical systems engineers ensure that all systems meet these regulatory requirements and implement security measures to protect sensitive information. 6. Collaboration with clinical and IT teams. Clinical systems engineers work closely with both clinical staff and IT teams. They need to understand the clinical needs and workflows to ensure that the systems they manage are user-friendly, efficient, and meet the needs of healthcare providers.
Skills required. To succeed as a clinical systems engineer, several skills are essential. Technical expertise. You'll need a solid understanding of clinical systems, medical devices, and IT infrastructure. This includes knowledge of EHR, lab systems, medical imaging systems, and more. Problem-solving skills. Clinical systems engineers need to troubleshoot issues that arise with medical devices or clinical software. Quick thinking and problem-solving are essential for resolving technical challenges. Healthcare knowledge. Understanding clinical workflows, medical terminology, and healthcare regulations is crucial to ensure that systems are properly designed and implemented. Communication skills. As a clinical systems engineer, you'll work with a variety of stakeholders, from IT professionals to healthcare providers. Clear communication is key to ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that systems meet clinical needs. Attention to detail. Healthcare systems handle sensitive data and impact patient care. Attention to detail is crucial to ensuring that systems work as expected and meet safety and regulatory standards.
Why the role is important. Why is the role of a clinical systems engineer so crucial? Clinical systems are at the heart of healthcare today. They help streamline clinical workflows, improve communication, and ensure that patient information is accurate and accessible. The clinical systems engineer is responsible for ensuring that these systems are properly integrated, secure, and maintained, which ultimately leads to better patient care and improved operational efficiency.
Real-world example. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a hospital introducing a new medical imaging system. The clinical systems engineer would be responsible for ensuring that the system is properly integrated with the existing EHR, that healthcare providers can access images seamlessly, and that the system complies with all security and privacy regulations. They would also train staff on how to use the system and provide support if issues arise.
In conclusion, the clinical systems engineer plays a vital role in modern healthcare, ensuring that clinical systems and medical devices work effectively, securely, and seamlessly. They help healthcare organizations provide better patient care by optimizing the technology healthcare professionals rely on every day. If you're interested in technology and healthcare, this is a role that offers both challenges and rewards.